Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to tackle a topic that makes a lot of homeowners nervous before they even start: permits for decks and patios here in Hamilton. A common question we hear is, do I really need a permit for this project? The honest answer is that it depends on what you are building. In general, if you are constructing a new deck that is attached to your home, raised off the ground, or adding new stairs and railings, you should expect that a permit will be required. The same idea applies if you are changing the footprint of an existing deck in a big way, or converting it into a covered structure or sunroom. Permits are not just paperwork. They are how the city checks that your deck framing, posts, footings, and connections can safely carry weight and handle weather over time. That includes things like how deep the footings go, how the beams are sized, and how the deck is attached to your home. When that work is done correctly and inspected, you end up with a structure that is built to current standards, not guesswork or old habits. Patios and outdoor kitchens sometimes need permits as well, especially when you are pouring new concrete, adding a roof, or running gas and electrical lines for grills, lighting, or heaters. Even if the surface feels simple, the work underneath can affect drainage, the side of your foundation, and safety systems. That is why it is smart to talk through your ideas with a professional who understands how local rules apply in real backyard projects. So what happens if you skip the permit and build anyway? The problems may not show up right away, but they tend to appear at the worst possible times. When you go to sell your home, an inspector or appraiser might flag the unpermitted deck or patio. You could be asked to prove it was built to code, or even told to remove or rebuild parts of it. If a failure happens and someone is hurt, questions about permits and code can also come up with insurance. One of the benefits of hiring a deck building company is that they can handle this process for you. At Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, we help homeowners with drawings, applications, and coordination with the local building department. Our team builds decks, patios, and railings to the plans that are approved. And we are on site for inspections, so you are not left guessing if your project meets the standard. Material choices fit into this picture as well. Permits focus on structure, but your deck surface still needs to be installed the right way. Composite boards from brands like TimberTech, for example, are designed with specific spacing and fastening guidelines. Following those instructions not only helps the deck look clean and even, it also protects the product's performance and any available warranty. If you are planning a new outdoor space and want to avoid surprises, talk to a professional before you walk into City Hall. You can reach our team at 895-9287 or visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com to learn more about how we approach decks, patios, and permits here in Hamilton. Our goal is simple: safe, solid structures that last, and a smooth process from first idea to final inspection. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton, and we will see you on the next episode.